Hello freelancers, so I want to speak about a very important subject in the way of thinking of many people, how they're making mistake when they're creating their Fiverr profile. So they're creating their profile, creating their gig, and they think they are freelancers on the platform. I'm this person, I'm looking for a job. Sir, madam, please employ me in your company, I will work for you. It's a big mistake. You will never succeed thinking like that. When you create your Fiverr gig, your gig is your business. Let's say you do marketing, it's your marketing business. You do data entry, it's your data entry business company, the best in the world. Video editing, it's the best media company. Whatever you do, it's your business. You are not a single person, you are a person owning a business. It's very important to understand this when dealing with clients. What is the biggest thing, the most important thing one business needs? It's investing in your business. Very crucial to invest in your business. Now, what does that mean for you on Fiverr? First thing, you need to get better. Invest in educating yourself how Fiverr works, how to set up your gig, how to optimize your gig, SEO, ranking, what to do when you have orders, when you don't have orders, etc. etc. Second thing, educate yourself in skill. Whatever you are selling, is it, I don't know, logo design, educate, put money from your pocket, from your job, get better at making logo, get better at making videos, websites, data entry, social media, I don't know, whatever it is, get better, educate yourself in skills, educate yourself in sales, how to sell your gig when you're speaking with the client, how to present your gig, educate yourself in communication, how to negotiate with clients, how to deal with hard clients. There are very hard clients sometimes that you need to argue with, how to deal when some client want to cancel an order. Right, so you need to have this customer relationship with the client. So get better at communication, get better at management, how to create a system where you can work efficiently with your gig, with your tasks on a day-to-day basis, to be productive and to get rested at the same time, so you can go to the next level and get educated on how to create a strategy for the long term. How can I grow my Fiverr profile from making $100 per week or per month to 500 to 10,000 per month? You need to have a strategy. So you need to educate yourself on these various things. Unfortunately, this can be done easy way or the hard way. Now the hard way is doing this for free, spending your time. This is what I did, spending 3 years, almost 4 years of my life, learning all of this for free, researching all types of videos, forums, chats, groups, people who wanted to speak with me, people who don't wanted to speak with me, talk with clients, testings, fail. I lose one account on Fiverr before because of mistakes. So it's very harder and takes much more time to spend 3 years, 4 years of your life to get better at, because I'm doing social media, to learn social media for free, blah blah blah. So it takes time when you don't want to spend money. This is the bad news in learning, but it's possible, but it's very hard, and a lot of people quit. They do 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and they just cannot do it. They quit. So this is one thing. The other one is easier way, where you spend a little bit money to find mentor, how to work on Fiverr, how to teach you sales, to find mentor to improve your skills. You do graphic design, you sign up for some courses, or academy for graphic design. So you take money out of your pocket into your brain, into yourself as a person, and with that indirectly into your Fiverr business. So from your pocket goes into your business, so from your business comes back into your pocket. That is the most efficient way. If I'm starting right now, again from zero, 4 years ago, and if I knew what I knew now, I take even into the bank or get a loan, spend like 6 months educating myself to get better, and I would make the money that we're making right now much more sooner. So it's the easy way and the hard way. And in any mix, maybe you do a little bit spend money on some things, free on some other things. It's all up to you, but whatever you choose, invest in your business. Invest. Fiverr is your business. You're not a single freelancer, you're a business owner. So invest.